Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and today I learned that every day is different, and every part of every day is different. And I was kind of just thinking about this because I saw something on Pinterest actually, and it was about sunsets, and I love just like taking pictures of sunsets, and I love like sunsets just make me so happy and just fill me with so much joy. And I just love every time I see a sunset I take a picture of it. And then I saw something on Pinterest that was like every sunset is different, and it just really got me down a rabbit hole of thinking about how God's creation is just so perfect and beautiful and cool. And the fact that every day the sunset is different, every day the sunrise is different, every day like our earth is spinning, and like every day the moon is orbiting and the earth is orbiting, and every day all these plants and trees are growing. And I don't know, it just kind of got me down a rabbit hole of thinking about like how beautiful this world is, like this creation, this earth, and like this life is. This first half of the week so far, I guess just yesterday and today, has not been, I haven't been very productive. I haven't been focused on anything really. I've just been very distracted these past couple days. And today I was just kind of trying to reset, just like thinking like every day is an opportunity, right? And like every day is different. So even when I do feel like I'm like going through the motions and stuff, every day is still different. And I've definitely talked about this in a previous video. I was really just thinking like every day is different, and that just really makes me want to appreciate every day even more, right? Because you're never going to get this day ever again. You're never going to get this day again. Every day is different. And that just makes me so much more excited for life and so much more grateful for each day and how much of a blessing it is. And also just like, yeah, just how much of a blessing life is. Like the fact that I get to wake up every single day is a miracle in and of itself. And also just the fact that this world and this earth is so beautifully made, and it's like most people have good lives relatively, right? So I was just thinking about that, and I was also just thinking about how like it makes me want to experience life more, just like experience life more and experience this creation and this nature more. And it really just made me think about how like when I procrastinate on these things and I just distract myself, it's just not good in any way. And I was just thinking about how most of the things that I procrastinate on are easy. Like, and honestly, probably the same thing for you. Like, even if it is you're a student and it's like a hard subject, if you do it right, if you study right, if you learn effectively, if you understand it, then it should be easy. Right now, I'm not saying it's like easy, like not easy as in like your brain isn't working, because if you want to learn effectively, then your brain needs to work. And obviously that part of it is going to be hard, but if you're doing it right, then it's not as hard as if you're doing it wrong, honestly, relatively, if you're thinking about it in a different way, right? But even just like for me, like most of the things that I have to do every day, most of the things that I'm procrastinating on are not hard, right? They're not hard. If I do it right, if I'm locked in, if I'm focused, then it's not hard and I can just do it. And I feel like I'm missing out on life because instead of like, I could be really focused, just get my school done and then just go and do cool things, like focus on this channel and try to get stronger and just be outside more and just like live a life instead of just being holed up in my room all day, barely even seeing like other people, and then just like distracting myself, right? Like it sounds so pathetic for myself. I don't know if you guys experience this. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, but yeah, I guess today the main message is to just appreciate life more and to understand that like every day is a blessing. So just like do what you have to do, because it's probably not as hard as you think it is, and do what you have to do so that you can just live life. So that's what I'm going to try to do tomorrow. Hopefully you found this video helpful or interesting. If you did, then I would love a like and a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe, because I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day and kind of how I'm trying to think about it, how I'm trying to apply it. So if you want to see that kind of thing, then definitely subscribe. I'm also posting monthly videos, so my March video is hopefully going to come out soon. I'm a little crammed on that, but hopefully it's going to come out soon. Yeah, this is the video that I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.